What's going on, guys? This is Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and in today's video I'm testing out this new GooLoo Air Duster. And just to give you guys an example of some of the things it can do. And in today's video we're going to be going over the GooLoo F5S. This is an electric air duster with a removable battery. They did send this to me to go over. I'm going to remove it, give a first impressions, and then we're going to go find some useful things to do with it. Alright, so first off in the box, it does come with a carrying bag. We've got our instructions. We've got the air duster, and it's actually heavier than I would have expected. We've got a USB cord for charging. And it also comes with 3 different nozzles for directing air for different uses. Alright guys, so this is the air duster. We'll get a good look at it. So what I want to point out to you is this right here is your mode button. You can press it, and the amount of lights will tell you how powerful it is. So 3 lights is the most powerful, 1 light is the least. So we'll hit the 1 light. We'll hit this is the 2 lights. And then this is the 3 lights, which the 3 lights is very powerful actually. So when you're in mode 1 and 2, if you notice, you can press the button once and it stays running. Same with 1. But in mode 3, you have to press and hold the button. It will not continue to run. And then if we look here on the front, there's lights on the battery that indicate the charge level. So this came almost completely charged. I've been using it for like an hour just to test it all out, actually give you guys my honest opinion. The nozzles are pretty easy to replace. There's just an 1/8 turn twist or so and they come out. You can swap them out for the different nozzles. So including the nozzle that comes on the gun, which is the biggest one here, they've got 4 different nozzles for different applications if you need to get into corners or more sensitive areas, or if you just want to move a lot of air. This big one moves a lot of air. Holy cow. That thing actually really moves some air. That's impressive. So let's go ahead and get to using it on a few things. So the first thing that came to mind when I got this was that I could potentially try to use this to remove some of the cat hair and stuff that's stuck in my keyboard. So let's go ahead and hit it and see if anything blows out. You can actually see how strong this is. It's blowing the keys down. So I actually messed this shot up, but I did end up blowing a lot of cat hair out of the side of the keyboard. I've tried to clean this keyboard with Q-tips a few times, but it never really worked. Part of me considering hitting him with it, but I know he wouldn't like it, so we're not going to do that. Okay, so I've had a little woodworking project. I've been building a wall back here in the corner. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and blow all the dust around, and I'm going to chase my cat out of here. Get! Alright, let's start off by hitting this. Wow, yeah, this thing is actually quite powerful. I'm standing 2 to 3 feet away. Alright, so you saw what it'll do with little chunks. Let's go for some bigger chunks of wood. I want to remind you guys that this is just with the short nozzle. They've got a longer nozzle that's more directed, so you could probably get even more throw with it. One of the first things that came to my mind was that my truck is like filthy from the last off-roading trip, and let's see if this thing can blow all the mud out of my truck. I mean, it didn't get it completely clean, but it definitely blew a lot of the stuff off. I thought it'd be helpful to throw a before and after picture in here. You guys can really see that it cleaned a lot of the big stuff out. Let's see if it'll blow leaves around. So I know this is a job for a leaf blower, but let's try this out. Those are wet leaves, but still, like, this thing is amazing. See if we can kick these up a little bit. That pile of leaves just a little too heavy, but and just because I have to do it. And we're going to jump back over to some more technical specs and wrap the video up. So like I said earlier, this is a 6,000 milliamp battery. It is charged via USB-C, and it does have the indicator on it, which is nice. GooLoo does have a kit that comes with extra batteries. I'm sure you can find their batteries somewhere on their website if you do decide to buy an extra one. Overall, I'm honestly really impressed with it. I kind of wish they would have had some maybe rubber molding on the handle, but it really doesn't matter. That's just a preference. But this thing moves a ridiculous amount of air, and I really didn't know what to expect when I got it. And as you guys saw when I blew the air into my mouth, it really does move some air. Looking at the carrying case here, we've got a large main compartment where you could put the actual air duster. And then there's a secondary compartment where you could put the charging cord, as well as the other tips. And then this will close up with plenty of space. And it also does have a carrying handle on it. So if you guys liked this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your thoughts down in the comments below. I do gadget reviews, I do camping videos, I do some off-roading and working on cars and trucks. I'm kind of spread everywhere. I know that may not be everyone's forte, but if you're kind of like me and you're into a lot of different things, join along and keep up with me.